Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the second place text effect in CapCut PC. So first, I'm just going to select click screen and go to text like the top, and you can change for this is for the version the same way. So um, change for font style, font color, and font size. And after that, you are just going to select the clips, right? Sorry, select the clip, right click, and create component clip. Go to effect, select light effect, select horizontal place to. So this is the final effect I have on your video. You can also adjust for the option here for the glow and speed, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.